How to create a YouTube intro for free using Canva. Hi guys, welcome back to another video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can create your very own YouTube intro for free using Canva. So having said that, let's just jump into the video. So first things first, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Canva right here, and then what you're going to do is you're just simply going to come over here, and you could either search over here in the search bar for YouTube video, or what you could do is you could come over here at the design spotlight, and under photos and videos you could go ahead and select YouTube video editor. Now I'm not sure if that is available in the free version because I do have the pro version, but nevertheless we're just simply going to go ahead and search for YouTube intro right here, just in case. Here we go, YouTube intros right here, or you could go with YouTube channel logo. Actually, YouTube channel art is much more preferable. As you can see, you have YouTube banner as well, YouTube banner, but we could either go with YouTube channel art or YouTube intro. There we go. We just simply search for YouTube intro and we have our option right here. Now we will have a bunch of different templates to choose from. You could go ahead and select a template and build off of it, change some elements, change some backgrounds, maybe the name and the color scheme, and that way make it your own. Or you could just simply go ahead and click over here and create one from blank. Now over here we have some bunch of different options we could go ahead and look at and see how it looks, or maybe select one like this one over here. This one is actually pretty cool, but it is pro, but you don't have to worry about that. You can also create this for free, but it won't have some pro elements. You could go with this one as well, or this one as well. This one also looks really cool. You can go ahead and select any template you want. It depends on you. If you have like a talk show or a different show or a vlog type of channel, you could go with something like this. But if you have a news related channel, you could go with this type of intro where, it pops up the news and stuff like that. But yeah, for me, I really liked this one right here. Minimalistic, doesn't really, have any cool stuff to it. Very simple, nothing too crazy. You could either go with that or you could go with the end screen right here. Very simple. If you want a little bit of funky, you could go with this one, or dazzle like this one. But anyway, I chose this one. I've already opened it up in another tab right here, as you can see. So this is how it looks like. It's very simple. So we have 4 elements right here, and each of these elements, as you can see right here, 4 pages, they all look really cool. You could go ahead and customize it by clicking on customize this template. It's going to open up the canvas right here. So basically you could go ahead and add different elements to it, like effects. So I added a shadow effect, as you can see right here. You go with the light effect if you want, go with the neon color or glitch. It depends on you, but I think a simple shadow is much more better. Now, but I think a shadow, it looks much more better. Now you could go ahead and do this, or you could change it up, right? So it says welcome to my channel, and then it changes to over here where you can add your main channel name. So just simply add in the channel name and change the photo. You click on edit photo or remove it, it depends on you. You can upload your own photo by just simply clicking on the upload right here and selecting whatever you want. So like uploading an image right here, going, there we go. Just move it around and it goes back. You can move it around. It depends on you. After that, what you could do is just simply select the image, click on edit photo, add a little bit of, filters on it, maybe if you want, or you could just leave it as it is and then just continue on with your other elements. And as always, like if you're starting with a template, there's not a whole lot you could change. Like you want to keep it the exact same way, but also maybe changing a few colors and maybe transitions. But generally speaking, that's all the only things that you can do. Now, if you're trying to create it from blank, which I am right here, it's also very simple. So for me, what I would suggest is maybe like I would just simply find a video, right? Like an animation type video. I could just simply search for it over here within the video section. I'll search for animation and maybe select a animation that, fits with the theme of the channel, like this one right here. It's a little bit fast, but yeah, let's go ahead and try to find one. Like something like this, we could add this as a background if we want to. It looks really cool, or we could change it and add this right here. Let me actually delete that one, previous one. Let's play this one. This one also looks really cool. If you want, you could add this one. It depends on you. But I actually really like this one, so we're going to keep this one and we're going to remove this one. And we're going to just simply go ahead and position it right over here. There we go. We can even edit the video as well, as you can see, background remover as well. But generally speaking, this is it. Then we could go into elements, right, and add different stuff to it. And we could just simply type or add different charts. It depends on you. But yeah, we actually don't need charts for now. I think we'll just simply go with this and just simply add a text element right over here, and we'll just say welcome to. Go ahead and increase the size as well. Go ahead and increase it to 42, maybe even 64. Yeah, I think 64 looks good. We'll keep it right here. We'll add a different effect. We'll add a shadow to it. We'll change the font to something else, like this one right here. Yeah, this one looks much better. We'll keep it at that. And actually, maybe if we change the color to white, yeah, I think that looks much better. Increase it right here or put it right here. And we will also cut back the video to just actually a few seconds, I would say maybe 1 or 2 seconds or even 3. Yeah. And we'll click on done. We'll click on another one and we'll also copy this background and we'll paste it if we can. And let me actually delete this. We actually duplicated it, so that works pretty well. And we also would like to add, and we'll add the name right here, and we'll call it Profit Insights, and we'll also place it right over here and change the color as well. We'll go ahead and give it a white and also add this right here. I think that looks much better. Yeah. And we will also add a transition right here. Actually, not a page. We add a transition by just hovering our mouse in between these two. And the option pops up right here. We'll click on add transition. And we could either go with something like this or dissolve, or it depends on you, or go with the wipe or stack, slide, dissolve. But yeah, it depends on you. I think this one looks good. We'll go ahead and add a color swipe and we'll change the direction to this one. And we'll also add other ones as well. We can add a bunch of other stuff as well. But I think the color would look much better. And we can change the color as well to something else, like maybe this pinkish color or yellowish color. It depends on you. Like we'll go ahead and add like a yellow color and maybe a blue and maybe this pink color, this pale. Yeah. And then we have this white color as well, like this one. There we go. That looks much better. And once it's done, let's take a look at how it would look. So it's playing right here. We get the transition. Now it's loading up the other file, and then we have this one. Now we can add more elements as well. And next week, what we could do is we could add more elements or add a audio. Like here, we have different audios over here within Canva as well. So you could just simply add them and as a background and you are good to go. So nothing too complicated. You just add a background and add a welcome screen and add a channel name and maybe a few elements as well. Like you go into elements and you add a few other elements related to, YouTube intros, or if you want, you could just, as always, select template to begin with, because as I said before, we have a bunch of different templates available to us right here. So very simple. That's how you do it. That's how you create a YouTube intro using Canva for free. So that is it for this video, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, be sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on post notifications, and I will catch you guys in the next video. And until then, take care and goodbye.